Well, yes, this is not my usual watercolor tutorial, but it is a video where I share my recent experience of visiting Paris and painting in one of its beautiful parks. My name is Luisa, and although I'm not in my studio today, I will bring you along with me in my exploration of Paris, and I will also show you how I painted a watercolor floral composition in Paris, taking inspiration from one of the most beautiful gardens in the city. I went to Paris a few weeks ago with my husband. We love Paris so much that it is probably the 10th time that we have visited this city. Our main goal for this trip was to relax, enjoy the warm weather, and taste the best foods that Paris has to offer. While walking in the heart of Paris, I got captivated by its green parks and their beautiful flowers, so I also took the time to paint. I picked the Luxembourg Gardens as my preferred spot. I first walked around to discover the beauty that this park could offer. It has large water fountains and it is full of people that play with them or just relax by their side. While walking in the park, I found a beautiful flower bed by the Luxembourg Palace that grabbed really my attention. I got inspired to paint all the colorful flowers in front of me, and so I took out my painting supplies and started to add colors to the paper. I am not used to painting en plein air, but I found this experience fun and relaxing. I would definitely do it again, and I can suggest you to try the same. It is quite easy to be inspired by all the beauty that constantly surrounds us when walking around Paris. The city was full of life, but not overcrowded. I discovered cute little bookstores I have never visited before, such as the Art as Art one that was full of unconventional art pieces. Let me know if you have ever been to Paris and if you also already tried to paint en plein air. Did you like this experience? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video directly from the Lulu Blue studio. Bye!